So you're running advertising online, but you're having an issue attributing the sales to the specific ads. Well, today, I'm going to walk you through the 3 methods that I use to attribute sales to advertising. If you're new around here, my name is Josh Deschelle, and I'm a fractional CMO with 12 plus years of experience helping brands just like yours to increase their sales online. Over these 12 years, I've generated 300 plus strategies that have generated millions of dollars in sales. Every Monday, I release a video that's 5 minutes or less that walks you through one of these 300 plus strategies. So the question is, will you trade 5 minutes for millions of dollars in sales? Let's find out. So since the introduction of iOS 15, it's obviously become a lot more difficult to actually attribute sales from advertising, especially with things like Meta or TikTok. A lot of us are really relying on these platforms to attribute these sales, but we all know it's not very accurate. So one of the best ways that I've actually implemented this, and again, I never see this really used, is to implement ghost products. Now, all these products are duplicates of products that exist on your store, but they're not actually on the storefront. So you'll create duplicates of, let's say, your best-selling product, and you'll just use that product for specific campaigns that you're running. By utilizing these ghost products that are just simply duplicates of your existing products and they're not on your storefront, you can 100% guarantee that these products are only being sold via your campaigns. So now you can check at the end of the month how many units you sold of this ghost product, and you know it can be 100% attributed to your advertising. Next is unique coupon codes. Now, this can be a little bit of a lengthy process, but essentially all you're going to do is create very specific coupon codes for very specific ads within your campaign. So when you set up a campaign and you're running for your best-selling products, you're going to create a coupon code for every single piece of ad creative that you're running. This way, you know that when anybody actually makes a purchase utilizing that coupon code, you can attribute it to not only that campaign, but that specific ad. Now again, this does take quite some time to create all these coupon codes, but at least you know when somebody actually makes a purchase with that unique coupon code, it's attributed not only to that campaign, but that specific form of creative and that specific ad. Lastly is just using unique URLs like UTMs. And this may seem a little bit antiquated, but truly it's still one of the best ways to track how much traffic actually comes from a specific campaign and a specific ad. Now, I still use the Google URL builder for this, but I always build this in. Even if I use unique coupon codes or ghost products, it's still a secondary way for me to ensure that, okay, at least I know there's 100 people that clicked on this ad and that they actually use this URL to come to the site. And then I can use that as a secondary metric to ensure that my coupon codes or my ghost products are actually reflecting the amount of traffic of the site. And that's it. Those are the 3 ways that I track all of my sales attributed to advertising campaigns. I implement a ghost product, I use unique coupon codes, and I use those unique URLs. So this way, when Facebook or Meta or TikTok tells me that there were 100 sales attributed, I now have secondary and tertiary ways to confirm those actual sales. So I hope you like this strategy, I hope you utilize it, and I hope you're able to track and attribute your sales much more easily and much more specifically within your campaigns. So if you like this strategy, I highly encourage you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss next week's video. I'll see you then.